Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today I just wanted to basically sit down with you guys and do a little mini Colourpop haul. I just ordered some brand new makeup from Colourpop. They had a really nice sale going on and I took advantage of it. And my package arrived today and I am very excited. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Okay, so this is the box with my package. Well, this is my package. Basically, I ordered quite a bit of makeup. Now, like I said before, they did have a sale going on, so it's not like I actually spent crazy amounts of money, but you know, Colourpop is such an affordable brand and they have such good quality makeup that I just had to. Anyway, let's just stop rambling and let's go in and see what the first item is. So it came like this. This is the Mad palette. Eyeshadow palette, and I am so excited because I wanted to get these so bad. This is the packaging and this is what it looks open. Oh my god, look at those shades, look at those shades. I love it. Now all these palettes cost me $9. Okay, they weren't the original price. I am in love with this color, or this like color collection or whatever. Moving on to the second palette, it's gonna be this one right here, and this one is the, which one is this one? The Ooh La La? Yeah, this is the Ooh La La. This is the packaging, well, the box that it comes in. And if you take it out, and like the Mad palette is basically blues centered. This one is pinks centered. And it has some scratches on the outside. This is like hard plastic, which is cool. And oh my god, look at that. How beautiful. I love it. Again, this one also cost me $9. I took advantage of that sale. Like the moment I got that email, I was like, excuse me, I'll be right back. I'm going to Colourpop because yeah. They actually, look at this, they actually like bubble wrap everything really nicely, and I'm very excited because that means my packages came, wait a minute. What? They sent me 2 of these. I don't recall ordering 2 of these. Hold up, because now I'm like, oh my god, they did send me 2. I didn't even notice I ordered 2. Great. Well, one of these will be put in a giveaway that I'm doing soon once I hit my 300 subscribers, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, the third one and fourth one is gonna be the It's My Pleasure. Now this palette has been causing commotion. Everybody's like in love with this purples palette. Everybody knows how hard it is to develop purple eyeshadow, and everybody's raving about this particular palette, because apparently the pigment and the quality is just amazing. But then again, it's Colourpop. Are we shocked? No, we're not shocked. Oh my god, look at this. How beautiful. I am definitely gonna be doing a look with this palette. Again, $9. Can't go wrong with $9. This one right here is gonna go in one of my giveaways right when I hit 300 subscribers. Mama's doing another giveaway only for my subscribers exclusively. Alrighty, so fifth palette is gonna be the Sol palette. This is basically the sister palette to the Mar, Sol y Mar, Mal y Sol, whatever, Sun and Sea. This one is more centered with like oranges and stuff like that. This is what it looks like. I'm so excited. Oh my god, look at this. How beautiful is that? I love it. All right, again, like I said before, this one also cost $9. These are so freaking cute. Like, I just feel like they're, like, how cute is it to stack these palettes somewhere? I might have to get like a specific container just to stack like those in there. Let's see, what else did we get? Oh! Okay, this is another one that I'm very excited about because I love greens and blues like on my complexion. I love how greens and blues look on my complexion. This one is the Just My Luck palette. And again, this one also retails for, well, it was $9 when I bought it. I think they're regularly $12. ish, I'm not sure. But look at this beauty. I just saw Kathleen Lights basically do a tutorial using this palette, and I am gonna try to recreate the same eyeshadow look that she did because I freaking loved it. Moving on to whatever's next. Okay, so these two next palettes I am very excited about because I love color. I love everything, but browns and nudes and neutral are like sort of like my go-tos all the time. Like I only do like pop of color when I'm either gonna film a video or if I'm gonna go out to a specific event or whatever, but neutrals, browns are just my thing. So I got this one right here, Brown Sugar. If I'm not mistaken, this might be the Karuchi, yeah, it's a Karuchi and Colourpop collaboration palette, one of them, because she's done other collaborations with Colourpop before. This one is so freaking beautiful. I don't know if you can see that effect. Like it looks sort of like, I don't even know how to explain it. But anyway, let's open her up. Look at this. How freaking pretty is that? I love it. This one also cost me $9, which I can't be mad at all. And now my final one, and like most favorite one that I'm like, or the one that I'm most excited about is gonna be the Through My Eyes eyeshadow palette with I Love Sarai. I don't know if that's how you say the name, or Sarai. Like in Spanish, it's supposed to be Sarai, but anyway. She did this collaboration with Colourpop not too long ago, and oh my God. Can we take a moment to just admire this? Look how beautiful this is. I am like in love. The colors and the names, well, the names of the sheets are in the back, and let's open her up. I'm dying. You guys, look how beautiful this eyeshadow palette is. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want me to make a video doing a look with this eyeshadow palette. I am in love with the names. This green right here, oh my God, I could die. So that was it for the palettes. Now I do have some Super Shock shadows that I bought individually. It's actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is that it? Yep. That's it. So I'm so pissed because there was this particular shade, this green shade called Empire in there, that it was honestly very similar to this one right here. Maybe a little bit brighter, and I was just so eager to have that one, and it went out of stock right when I was purchasing it. Like right when it was in my cart, it was just out of stock. But whatever, it's in stock now, and I'm gonna probably go back in and order it. So let me show you the first Super Shock shadow. This one is Bubbly. I fell in love the moment I saw this one. How cute is that? A nice little like dusty rose color. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Second one is going to be Bouncy, and this one is more of a, I don't even know how to describe this color. It looks like a forest green, but then it looks gray. Let me, ooh, they're so freaking pigmented. It looks gray and then it looks green. I don't even know. I just know I love it. And it's, oh my God, the quality to die for. This is the first time that I actually purchased like Super Shock shadows. And wow, like they're so soft. Next one on the list I'm excited about because I like pop of color. I would definitely just do like a whole lid with this color because it's just so beautiful. This one is called Slave to Pink. And listen, look at that. How vibrant is that pink? Gorgeous. Let's see the next one. This one is called Superfly. Oh my God, how beautiful is that blue? I love this shade of blue. Look at that. Look at the pigment. Oh my gosh, I can't. I can't. Oh my gosh, I'm dying. I've heard great things about Colourpop's Super Shock shadows, but I've never purchased one before. I almost broke a freaking nail. Lovely. Lovely. That's all I need right now to break a nail. I actually have to be at work in 6 minutes. and I'm here filming this video. So we're almost done. Next shade or next Super Shock shadow is Lightning Bug. And this one is this beautiful copper gold. How gorgeous is this? Like, you guys, I am so in love. And they're so, look at, come on, man. Come on, like, really? Look at that. I could even use this as a highlighter. I could get away with it as a highlighter for sure. Alrighty, 2 more shades to go. This one here is going to be Coconut. I love the name for this one, and I love the freaking color. Look at that blue. That's like a perfect like navy blue right there. So, so pretty. Definitely my kind of color to do, like it's just an over the lid like color. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Last and final Super Shock shadow shade is going to be Cosmic Charge. And this one is like a champagne. Let me see if I can swatch this. Look at that. How gorgeous is that? I honestly, I die. And I could also use this one as a highlighter because I can get away with it. Anyway, that's all the makeup that I got today. I am so, so excited. I can't wait to start playing with it. Again, this was just like a little bit of a boring video, just sitting down with you guys, doing a little mini Colourpop haul, whatever. You already know. If you have not subscribed to my channel already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that post notification bell so you guys don't miss out on any of my upcoming uploads, which are a lot. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on my next one. Bye.